This Villager Realty, Lewisburg Office property video is presented by Gretchen Bellet. Don't wait to check out this charming Cape Cod-style home located on the hill in Fernville. First floor master bedroom, custom-designed closet space, full bathroom, separate laundry and open kitchen and dining area make first floor living easy. Second level offers another full bath, 2 large bedroom, and sitting area. The landscaped yard includes low-maintenance rock gardens, raised bed vegetable garden and blueberry bushes. Entertaining or quiet relaxation is easy on the front porch or from the back deck overlooking the fenced-in backyard and covered back patio. The full-sized, walkout basement is ready for its new owner's personal touch, complete with rough ends for a potential third bathroom and plenty of room for additional living and storage space. For more information